In this cycle, it is sure that vacuum beam cylinder has arrived at its position before the next action is taken by adding a delay timer. Here we use on delay timer for detecting a cylinder extension fault and cylinder retraction fault. If cylinder takes more than 5 seconds, then sees the extension fault. Here we also keep track of the number of fills to signal to maintenance for cleaning. When number of fills is greater than 5, then signal to maintenance to of filler of cleaning. Number of bottles are filled and stored the value in integer 2. Number of bottles kept and stored the value in integer 3. This one. Here we also keep tracking of process time. Here. The total cycle time is stored into real 2 value. The real 2 is shows the last cycle time. See, the cycle time is stored into real 2. When cycle is complete, the time is stored into last cycle in real 2. Convert the signal to ensure bottle is filled fully. We also ensure that bottle is filled. We also ensure that cap is secure when the speed is between 0 and 15 mm per second. We also count the number of bottles and store the value in integer 4. We also count the shift and this value store in a last shift count. The cycle is now running perfect.